This next presentation is the culmination of the work on how weather is different and the different needs of the different plants and animals. This happens to be our temperate forest biome. We have one for deserts, we have one for rainforests, we have one for polar, and we also have one for marine biomes. Each biome has different plants and animals in it because there are different levels of moisture and there are different temperatures. Depending on which biome you are studying, there is a relationship between the precipitation and the temperature. A temperate biome has moderate precipitation and moderate temperatures. It does not have extremes. Some of the animals that live in this biome have all of their needs met by the biome. These trees, or the grass and the leaves on the ground of the forest, offer food or protection. Well, those are needs, aren't they? You can see there's some sunlight coming in. So the plants that are up at the top receive more of the sunlight than the plants that are down at the bottom. But each one of these living organisms has their needs met. Some of the animals that live in this temperate forest are an owl. An owl is nocturnal. That means that it sleeps during the day and it's awake at night. So the owl does a lot of its hunting, looking for food, during the evening and at night. The wolf is diurnal. That means it's awake during the day and sleeps at night, as is a corn snake, the beaver, and the praying mantis. Each one of these animals is sheltered and protected by the biome in one way or another. It's all different depending on the biome, but in this particular case, the ground floor helps cover up the corn snake. The beaver is going to be living close to water, but is going to be getting a lot of the twigs from the trees to build the dam. This particular animal is an herbivore. What that means is that this animal likes to eat plants. This is the beaver. So some of the things that the beaver gets for its nutrition, for it to eat, are the leaves from different trees, the water lilies that are growing along the shore, and these grasses that are also growing along the shore. Each one of these animals has a diet card. And one of the things that the children will begin to see is that there are cross relationships between the different organisms that live in the temperate forest.